Hi guys, last couple of days many students have asked me about this course, the Master Unions School of Business. Let's talk about this college. So 300 crore have been come together to start this campus. So this is a technology focused business school led by the veteran leaders, executive and businessmen. So what make this program special? Let's look at. So let's start with the about us of this college. So moment we click about us for the college. Main part which I like about the college is a 16-month program led by technology. Now, what ISB did 10 years ago, they started a 1 year program, and after that, all the IMs, SPJs started a 1 year program. Same way, this can lead to another new type of program, which is 16-month custom made program led by the CxSchools, MD, and eminent public figures as well. So let's look at the few of the faculties. So Karthik is a former professor at Harvard and director of Oxford University. Bhaskar, Dean, Global Business School and former McKinsey partner. Arun, Boston Consulting Group. Satish, Standard Chartered. So all the big shot have come together. Former board of director Tata Airlines. So a lot of big shots have come together to start this program. And if you are being taught by them, and there's a one-to-one mentorship as well in this program, which sounds like a good idea. So you can download the brochure here and you can apply for 7th of March. 7th of May is the last day for round 1. So we can see a lot of coverage in the newspaper as well. Times of India, 300 crore, Gurgaon Mint, Business Insider, Outlook, Money Control. So the college have been featured at various places as well. So if we go to the program, PGP program, so there's a consulting project-based course. So real life business consulting projects sponsored by the top company course industries, personalized feedback and live projects. American Express, Lay's, Cisco, these are the few projects. The one thing which I like about the campus is the location. It's based in Gurgaon and same building of Boston Consulting Group, Bank of America. So you are at the main hub where 1200 MNCs are there around you. So that sounds like a very promising campus. Technology boot camps are going to happen. Blockchain, e-commerce, artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, and SaaS based. That's what this college is talking about. Corporate field courses, Adani Port, Reliance Jamnagar Refinery, Bombay Stock Exchange. And trust me, especially Reliance Jamnagar Refinery and Bombay Stock Exchange. These are the two things which are kind of a must see for everyone. So this is my advice to all the finance students as well. Those who are based in Bombay, you should go to Bombay Stock Exchange for once. So to get an idea about what is exactly happening. Yep. So the unique program about this thing, there's an investment fund as well. There's a 5 crore which is set aside for the students. So students can get a hands-on experience by investing that 5 crore on behalf of the college. I think nothing can be as big as this thing. So that's a good idea, good way to motivate debt funds, equity, futures. Trust me, half of the things people don't even know. Those who want to go for MBA, this is a kind of a must-do things. So they have a blockchain research center, applied machine learning center, genetics and biotechnology business, agriculture and food innovation center. So these are the new business models which they are experimenting and novel technologies they're working on. Maybe that's why the college is called technology run campus, technology based campus. Master Union School of Business. The main thing is because all the masters are coming together to start the B school. Coming to the next part, what this program all about, the PGP Technology and Business Management is a uniquely designed 16-month flagship program led by the real practitioner. We saw that, driven by the live projects and grounded by the technology. These sound like the 3 main pillars for this college. Yeah, who should apply? Young and a mid-term career professional with 0 to 5 year work ex are eligible to apply. So all of us are eligible from 0 to 5 years of work ex. So those who are professional for the family run business also, they can come. Entrepreneurs can come, artists can come, and the candidate enrolled final year students can also apply for that. So everyone can apply for this campus. So what comes next question, which is in the mind of everybody, is what about the placements? So I happened to talk to one of their management teams today about this college, and they told me, because obviously the first year, so there's no track record to find out, but one thing they have assured that they're not going to allow any company to come on campus with an average package of less than 14 lakhs. Yeah, this is what they promised us. So this sounds like a good way to go forward, good college to apply for. And then look at the admission criteria of the college. So academic 3 to 4 years of degrees, all engineers, BCom can apply. Work experience, with work, without work, we already saw that 0 to 5. You have to give GMAT, GRE, CAT or NMAT score. They are accepting CAT or NMAT score only for this exam. And English requirement only if your undergraduation is not English, you might have to give a TOEFL as well, which most of us are in English. We are in English, so that's for class of 2021. Yep. And icing on the cake is that there is 100% scholarship. Yes, fully funded scholarship for the top 60 students. That's what we have been told for the program, because the first year, so 60 students will get 100% scholarship, fully funded. Yep. So the last date to apply is 7th of May, and you should download the brochure and check out more details. If you have any more question about the college, you can ask me in the comment box. I'll be more than happy to reply. So complete the online process, apply for scholarship, schedule your interview and case study assessment, and there's the admission decision. I'll make a video on case study assessment and the scheduled interview if you are interested. So do comment if you want to have more details. There's a sample resume as well where you can apply. 2 essays you have to write. I'll make the detailed video about this thing. So there are 2 rounds, round 1 and round 2. And application fees will go up with round 2. So 2,500 fees is round 1. Yeah, fees and financing. Let's look at the last part. So fees non-refundable 1,25,000 you have to pay initially. Total tuition fees is 14,75,000 and lifelong membership of 1 lakh rupees. So total fees you have to pay is 17 lakh for the complete 2-year program. And if you get a scholarship, that can be a very good thing. So you can easily try for the scholarship. All right. So all the best. If you have any question, please ask in the comment box. I'll be more than happy to reply. All the best.